Pointers. I just try to talk about the pointer. Before the pointer, I just give the introduction about myself. Dr. G.S. Shah, working in Science College, Bilaspur. Then come to the points. A pointer is a derived data type in C. Understanding pointer A. Computer's memory is a sequential collection of the storage cell. Each cell, commonly known as the byte, has a numbers called address associated with it. A pointer variable is therefore nothing but a variable that contains an address. Assessing the address of variable p equal to ampersand quantity. Write a program to print the address of a variable along with its value. It is very simple, therefore it can be seen on the paper. Then declaring pointer variable. Pointer variable can be declared data type, then star pt and name. Example, int star of p semicolon. Then initialization of the pointer variable. The process of assigning the address of a variable to a pointer variable is known as the initialization. One pointer expression has been given, y equal to star p1 into star of the p2, sum is equal to sum plus star p1, x is equal to 5, and other thing has been given. Then write a program to illustrate the use of pointer in the arithmetic operations. Program as we are just using included stdio, included conio.h, maths and other things has been given in this paper. Then pointer increment and scale factor. Example, p1 is equal to p2 plus 2, p1 is equal to p1 plus 1. Then pointers and array. Pointers and array relation is given like this: int x 5 elements equal to in a curly brackets 1 2 3 4 5 and semicolon. Then write a program using pointer to determine the length of the character strings. Program is already given in the book also, therefore it is very easy. Then write a function using pointer to exchange the values stored in two locations in the memory. The program is given and it is easy, therefore it can be understood. Then write a program that uses a function's pointer as a function argument evaluations. That is the program. It is very simple. It can be understood to read the programs and do as like whatever I have written. The last one of this chapter is the write a program to illustrate the use of structure pointers, and program is given and it is very simple, therefore it can be understood to see the papers.